Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Binance Pro. First, ensure you have the Binance app installed and are logged in. You can easily switch from Binance Lite to Pro mode within the app settings. This unlocks a more comprehensive trading interface with advanced tools and features. Remember to complete identity verification to access all functionalities and higher limits. Once in Binance Pro, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. The home screen provides an overview of market trends and quick links. The bottom navigation bar gives you access to essential sections like markets, trades, futures, and wallets. You can also customize your dashboard to display the information most relevant to your trading strategy. Trading on Binance Pro offers a wide range of options. You can place different order types, such as limit, market, and stop limit orders to manage your trades effectively. Utilize the advanced charting tools to perform technical analysis before making decisions. Be aware of trading fees, which are generally around 0.1% per trade and can be reduced with BNB holdings. Managing your assets and security is crucial on Binance Pro. Easily deposit and withdraw a wide variety of cryptocurrencies to and from your wallet. Always enable two-factor authentication, such as Google Authenticator, for robust account protection. Regularly review your transaction history and asset balances to stay informed about your portfolio's performance and security.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.